Hello, my name is James Castro and this is my project for R100. I edit this photo to look as an art form as possible. I tried to change the contrast, brightness, tint and everything I could to have a picture that looks like it wasn't round. It wasn't easy at the first, but I did my best. Um, it was my intention to create a picture with soft focus and visible manipulation. This is a simple picture of my dog and I would like to say that it illustrates like happiness in this world, or that's how I see it. And this this picture is an example of a pictorialist picture. My second picture is this one. I try in this last picture. I try to produce a picture with the visible details in the image. I made the picture as dark and as clear as possible to have a better scene in the details, but I'm not sure if I did it right. I did this in order to create a straight photography. I really want to take this photograph because I like to see how my dog watches to the outside, and she looks to be calm, and that's all.